Brainstorming and AI, an obvious combination. However, do you know how to do it efficiently and effectively? In this video, we are going to test a range of different prompting techniques and strategies to ensure your brainstorming is highly successful. AI needs to be used as a creative partner and not as an answer machine. Let's start off with the most obvious way most people would prompt a brainstorming session. Here I'm simply going to type, please provide some brainstorming ideas. Now, this approach gives us a small sample of possible ideas that we can explore. If we want to improve the results, we need to be more strategic in our prompt. To be more specific, I'm going to provide it with a number of ideas, in this case 20, and I'm going to ask it for categories of ideas, such as ideas that are student-led and staff-led. As you can see, the more specific that I am, the more tailor-made the brainstorming ideas are for my needs. I'm now asking for more ideas. When working with a large data set, I would strongly encourage you to export the data to an Excel file so that you can manipulate it easily. Now, you can't let the AI do all the work. You need to use your own thinking and synthesize that with the AI output. The most effective approach is to use CAC co-intelligence, where we're applying cognitive, AI, cognitive. This is the most effective approach, balancing speed, risk, and your ability to retain that information. A prior video explains this carefully. The way I would have applied co-intelligence in this approach is that I would have done brainstorming ideas myself using my brain. Then I would have undertaken the method that I've just shown you, using the AI to come up with different ideas. And in the third stage, I would compare my original ideas with the ideas from AI and work out what are the best ideas to move forward with. A different approach involves doing some background work first. So in this case here, I've already applied a root cause analysis, and that can be seen in a previous video. And we are using that root cause analysis to help tailor the brainstorming ideas for our project. Now I've gone through and explored all the different solutions, and I've used co-intelligence to connect between what I originally thought and what the AI has suggested for me. And I've now decided that this is probably one of my favorite solutions. We now use AI to extend our thinking a little bit further. I'm now going to ask the AI, what are 10 reasons that it might succeed and what are 10 reasons that it might fail? From this, I need to use my own cognitive thinking to critically analyze this information to determine, am I on the right path or not? If I'm not, I need to go back to the drawing board. As you can see, AI can help you evaluate your ideas. Now, what happens if you're unsure which tool to use? Well, let's simply ask the AI that question and see what tools it suggests for us. We can use this information to determine which strategy to apply. To test this out, I'm going to apply the 6 thinking hats method, and I've made a mistake here by placing the word caps instead of hats to show you that close enough is good enough when you're working with AI. And you can see the type of feedback that it can provide on your ideas. What we have learned is that your prompt matters. We have learned that you can't use AI as an answering machine. You need to use it as a co-creator. And to do this, you need to apply co-intelligence. AI can provide you with lots of solutions. It can help you evaluate the information. But at the end of the day, you need to apply your own critical thinking in order to apply evaluative judgment to ensure that the solution that you're going to go with is the best one. I'm Dr. Sasha Nikolic. Thank you for watching.